Okay, so my animation is going to be on mitosis, and mitosis is the division of cells anywhere in the body as long as they don't produce gametes. It is a part of the cell cycle process by which chromosomes in a cell nucleus are separated into two identical sets of chromosomes, each with its own nucleus. Another definition of mitosis is the process by which a cell replicates its DNA, then divides its nucleus into two nuclei, or the mother cell splits into two daughter cells. Okay, so what we have here is number 1 is a parent cell, which is a single cell with one nucleus on its own. And then number 2 is a cell with two separate nucleuses, and obviously it's in the process of dividing. And number 3 is the cytoplasm is dividing, so it's becoming two separate cells. And then with number 4 you've got two separate daughter cells, two cells that have their own nucleus, their own cytoplasm, their own organelles, their own chromosomes. Alright, so what we have here is an image of mitosis with chromosome division. So the first cell, or the first image of the cell, is a singular parent cell. And then the second picture is the chromosomes are copied, so you've obviously got double the number of chromosomes within one cell, basically. And then the third lot of pictures of cells is the two separate daughter cells, which have their own set of chromosomes. And so in this image we have the different stages of the life of a female. The first figure is of a baby. You've got a toddler, and then the two in the middle are the young girl, and then you've got the teenager, and finally the adult woman. And the reason why this woman has gotten bigger is due to mitosis, and mitosis is involved in growth and development of organisms. So in this image it's obviously a person, and there's division in the bones, the muscles, the skin to assist in growth. So this next image is a cartoon because some actual images of open wound healing can be disturbing to some people. This image shows an open wound healing over a number of days, and then in the last diagram it goes to months. When there is a wound, neighbouring cells will divide by mitosis to repair the damaged skin. This occurs after the formation of the clot, and it is the new cells which you can see as white smooth skin when your open wound is healed. Now basically this means that the cells in mitosis, they divide, and they, in layman's terms, they like sort of latch onto each other, creating like a wall, which will then become the skin over the open wound, and it will protect the body from bacteria and diseases and anything else that is harmful to the body from getting inside. So the final reason for cell division in mitosis is to replace worn out tissue. So these include white blood cells, red blood cells, skin cells, and any other cells you can think of. And these die every day, and then mitosis helps to create new ones, and it has the same DNA, so it's basically as if you'd never lost any other cells. Okay, so in this image it's the actual process, mitosis. So no, it doesn't say it, but there's interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and or cytokinesis. Now, in interphase, it occurs before mitosis actually begins, and the cell goes through a special process of interphase. This takes about 90% of the cell's time, and this involves growing, replicating DNA, and actually growing again. In prophase, the chromosomes plump up because in interphase they're actually invisible. Metaphase, the chromosomes line up to be in the middle of the cell. Anaways, the chromosomes pull away from each other, so you have chromatids on their own. And in telophase, two nuclei form, so they go to opposite ends of the cell, which can be east and west if you want to say that. And cytokinesis, which is when two separate daughter cells form. Okay, so that was my animation on mitosis. I'm sorry I went a little bit over the time limit, but I had a lot to explain. Thanks for watching.